So here I am taking like input, enter a number. Again, I want to take C value also. So integer input, enter a number. So I taken like three numbers. Why? Because here I given like I call it average of 10, 20, 30 and average of 10.5, 20.5, 30.5. So here I want to give like dynamically, like I want to give in terminal. So I am giving like A, B, C. Those A, B, C we already called in functions. So just here I want to call average of ABC. So see now, just I'm running the program here. See, already we got like average of 10, 20, 30 and also average of 10.5, 20.5, 30.5. Now we are asking like enter a number. So I want to enter 3 and also now I want to enter 5 and now I want to enter 7. So see, I got the 3, 5, 7, average is 5.0. So this way we are writing function in Python. See, I will explain again. So here using def as a keyword, I am taking a variable name. Tell me. Any doubt? Is there any doubt? Okay. Using def as a keyword, just I am giving the variable name as average. So let's I'm taking just like three variables like A, B, C. You can take anything. Just I am giving the variable as AB. So here I am giving like A plus B plus C divisible by 3. Nothing but I want to give the average. So I am giving A plus B plus C by 3. Here I want to print the average. So just I am printing average. In the average, I want to call here A. I am giving not in static, like using static. So I'm giving already like 10, 20, 30 and 10.5, 25. So here we will get the answer here. So if you want to print by dynamically, if you want to give the in terminal, so we want to write these lines. We want to print average. We want to pass the ABC as values. Yeah. Clear? Is there any doubt in this program? Okay. So we will one more example on just I'm leaving the square. I want to work on square. So here same thing we have to write using def. Nothing, def is an keyword. So here I want to square of two numbers or square of a number. Here I want to take variable as square. You can take anything here variable. So just I am taking square. So here I want to pass the one variable. So just I am taking n. I am taking here sq and the square of number is nothing but n into n power 2. So this is nothing but n square. So I am returning here, return sq. So when we are returning, these results are in the sq. So now I want to print same dynamically also. So I am giving a equals to integer and input enter a number. Yeah. Same. Now I want to call here. So here I want to take the variable. Same. Square of a print sq. Just I given like square of number. I given def as a keyword and square of n. No? Here I am doing square. I am returning the just object. I am taking the integer and input. Just run the code here. Sorry, this code is running again. Yeah. Just I am commenting this. See here, just I want to run here. See, enter a number. So here I want to enter the number. So just I'm entering like 5. 5 square is nothing but 25. Is there any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
Okay. So so here I want to work again on I want to find the area and perimeter of rectangle using function. So same area and perimeter of rectangle. So F. So I am giving a small cut like rectangle area. So here I want to give length and breadth. So I am passing L comma B. Now I want to print the sorry I want to calculate first area. So I am giving area. Area of rectangle is nothing but length and breadth. Nothing but length into breadth. So I am giving like L into B. This is the area of rectangle. And so now I want to print area. So I'm just print area. So I'm just printing the area here. First, I taken like function here. In that function, I'm calling like length and breadth. So I'm finding the area. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Just I'm printing the area. And also now I want to calculate rectangle perimeter. Same using def So here, same rectangle of perimeter, length into length L comma P. So here I want to print perimeter. So I'm giving peri, or else we can give simply P. So here perimeter of rectangle formula is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So here I want to give 2 into L plus B. Print. So here I want to print the perimeter. So I'm giving just P and P. Yeah. This is the logic. We have to find the area and also we have to find the perimeter. Nothing is we have to calculate length into breadth and 2 into L plus B. Now, so here I want to give like dynamically, we are just giving L. So we can give like anything length and breadth. It is in not, we can give float value. So just I'm taking float. You can take integer also, you can take float also. Float input, enter a number. Yeah. And again, I want to take like breadth also. Float input, enter a number. So here I want to call the function. So I want to call like rectangle of area and also rectangle of perimeter. Area and perimeter both I want to call here. So here I am calling rectangle of area, that is nothing but L comma B, and also rectangle of perimeter, that one also L comma B. See here, just I want to calculate area and perimeter of rectangle. So I am giving def rectangle of perimeter area, that is nothing but L comma B. Just I want to calculate the area. So I given length into breadth. Again I want giving like rectangle of perimeter L comma B. Perimeter formula is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So here I want to call like dynamically. So I am giving dynamically float values. So I want in function we have to call the function name. Just I am calling rectangle of area and also rectangle of perimeter. So now I will run the code here. Yeah. Enter the number. Just I am giving 4. Yeah. And also 5, 6 or 6. So area is 24 and also perimeter is 20. Yeah. Is there any doubt in this program? Okay. Yeah. Can we do one more program? So here I want to work on like circle. So here I want to find like area and perimeter of circle. So same def here I want to pass circle. We have like a circle, we have radius. So I'm giving radius. And circle value, we have like pi value. Pi nothing but 3.14. Pi value is 3.14. And we have to find the first area. So area of circle is nothing but formula is pi r square. So we have to pass first pi into r square. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, pi value is nothing but 3.14 and we have to find the area. So pi into r square. And we have to give perimeter. Perimeter of circle is nothing but 2 pi r. So we have to give 2 here and pi value, pi is nothing but pi 2 pi r. Yeah. And now just I want to pass like area and perimeter a comma p. So here area and perimeter of circle. Yeah. Here now I want to give the value like radius of value. Just I am giving the radius as 10 here. So now we will get the output here. Just run the program here. Yeah, sorry, I want to print here. Print. I want to print like a comma p. A p. Or else you can print like this, like also print circle. You can give 10 or 20, anything else. What is this? A comma p circle 10. Line number 50, we got okay. Left circle, we are giving the radius. We given pi value 3.14. A is nothing but pi r square. P is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. So here see, we are created the object here a comma p. So here we have to return the value. So just I want to return a comma p. So a is nothing but area, p is nothing but perimeter. These two values here I want to pass a comma p, circle of 10. I given the radius as 10. So here now we will get the answer. Yeah. See, I got the radius like 314. Just change the number. You can give 15. See, I got the radius of, when you are giving the radius as 15, area is 706. Perimeter is 314. Is that clear? Is there any doubts today programs?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then we will continue next class.